Good morning. Today we are going to discuss the different parts of the typewriter. This is the typewriter. Mainly it is consisting two parts. This is the carriage, and this is the keyboard of typewriter. In keyboard there are different types of keys, alphabetical plus numerical keys. Along that there are other keys which we use for imprinting the different signs on the typing sheet. Now we will discuss about this carriage. This is the roller, or you can say cylinder or platen, which we use to hold the paper against this. This is the paper bale. This holds the paper tightly. From there you can insert the paper, and this is the cylinder knob. With this help we can roll the paper around this roller knob. Okay. Then after that, these are the margins which we use for setting the margin on this paper, as we cannot start the typing from the start of the paper. We have to set the margins. This is the starting of the margin. You can arrange or set margin with this margin starter, and this is the margin stop. This is at the end from the left side of the paper. You can set this margin. Okay. This is the line spacer. You can set the spacing of the paper. Either you can go for 1 or 1.5, 2 or 2.5. This depends how you have to type. Mostly we go for